So today is the 7th. Yesterday, I got to realizing that the best way to go about this is by pulsing along the way rather than just shooting a straight shot. And that's kind of what I'm going to try to do with these. For not having practiced the past few days, these don't look that bad, or so I say. But I think I'm getting the technique down of pulsing rather than trying to go a straight line to the material, kind of something like this. Maybe I just need to adjust my heat settings, but yeah, I think that's not horrible, right?